session I'm going to solve some problems from the Open Jackson network. So problem number 1, consider a system with two servers, that is two facilities, where customers arrive from outside the systems in a Poisson fashion at server 1 at a rate of 4 per hour and at servers 2 at a rate of 5 per hour. So here alpha 1, that is the customers arriving from outside to this server 1, so it is alpha 1 is given as 4 per hour. The same way alpha 2 is given as 5 per hour. Again, the customers are served at station 1 and station 2 at the rate of 8 per hour and 10 per hour respectively. So here mu1 and mu2 is given. mu1 is given as 8 per hour and mu2 is given as 10 per hour. A customer after completion of service at server 1 is equally likely to go to server 2 or to leave the system. So here P12, that is probability that the number of customers leaving from server 1 and going to server 2 and from server 1 to go out, so it is given as equally. So probability that the customers from server 1 to 2 is 1 by 2 and the probability that the number of customers leaving from 1 to 0, that means outside, is 1 by 2. Again, a departing customer from server 2 will go to server 1 25% of the time and will depart from the system otherwise. So here P21 is equal to 1 by 4 and P20 equal to 3 by 4. We know that always P11 equal to 0, P22 equal to 0. Now to find the total arrival rates at server 1 and server 2. So total arrival rate lambda 1 and lambda 2 we have to find. Second one, the limiting probability of a customers at server 1 and at customers at server 2. So we have to find probability that n customers at server 1 and m customers at server 2. We have to find the general formula. Third one, expected number of customers in the system. So LS we have to find. Finally, expected time a customer spends in the system. So we have to find WS. Now see the solution. Let lambda 1, lambda 2 be the total arrival rates. Already we have seen that alpha 1 as 4 by 4 per hour and alpha 2 as 5 per hour. And again we have seen in the problem statement P12 as 1 by 2, P11 equal to 0, P10 equal to 1 by 2, and again P21 equal to 1 by 4, P22 equal to 0, P20 equal to 3 by 4. First we have to find lambda 1, lambda 2. We know the general formula, lambda j equal to alpha j plus summation I equal to 1 to 2 lambda I pi j equal to 1 comma 2. If we substitute j as 1, we will get lambda 1 is equal to 4 plus lambda 2 by 4, and if you substitute j equal to 2, we get lambda 2 is equal to 5 plus lambda 1 by 2. Then solving we will get lambda 1 as 6 and lambda 2 as 8. So this is our first one. Then we have to find 2, probability that n customers at server 1 and m customers at server 2. We know in single server model P of n customer in the system as lambda by mu whole power n into 1 minus lambda by mu. So here we have two servers, two facilities with the single servers. So we have to take lambda 1 by mu 1 power n 1 minus lambda 1 by mu 1. This is for single server. Again for first facility, for the second facility lambda 2 by mu 2 whole power m into 1 minus lambda 2 by mu 2. If we substitute the values, we can get 1 by 20 into 3 by 4 whole power n, 4 by 5 whole power n. For ls, for the third one, ls equal to sigma j equal to 1 to 2 lambda j by mu j minus lambda j. So we will get, if we substitute the values of lambda 1 mu 1 lambda 2 mu 2, we will get ls as 7. And for fourth one, ws is equal to ls by summation j equal to 1 to 2 alpha j. So if we substitute the values, we will get 7 by 9 hour. So this is our first problem. Now the second problem, Jackson network with 3 facilities that have the parameter are given below. So here see the table. First column, the facilities are given. Second column, channels are given, number of servers are given for j equal to 1, j equal to 2, j equal to 3. The service rate is given and number of customers from outside to the channel j is given. And the fifth column, sixth column, seventh column, it is given that probability that the number of customers arriving from server j to I. So these are all the probability values. Now to find the total arrival rate at each facility, so we have to find lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, and we have to find the joint probability P of n1, n2, n3. Third one, expected number of customers in the entire system. So ls we have to find, again ws we have to find. So solution, here let lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the total arrival rates at facility 1, 2 and 3. Here at facility 1 we have single server model. In facility 2 we have multiple server model. Again at facility 3 we have single server model. So here we have to use in the facility 2 multiple server model. So there we have to use the particular formulas, probability that n customers arriving and average number of customer in the system and expected time a customer spends in the system, WS. These are all we have to use these particular formulas. So now to find lambda j, we know the formula alpha j plus summation I equal to 1 to 3 lambda I Pij. If we substitute j equal to 1, 2, 3 respectively, we can get, after simplification, lambda 1 as 5, lambda 2 as 10 and lambda 3 as 7.5. Now to find the second one, so we have to find P of n1, n2, n3. First we have to find P of n1 customers at facility 1. So it is a single server model, so we know the formula lambda 1 by mu 1 whole power n1 into 1 minus lambda 1 by mu 1. So if we substitute the value, we will get 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 power n1. This is for P of n1. But for P of n2, we have the formula. So first we have to find P naught. So in that formula, if we substitute, we will get P naught is equal to 1 by 3. Then if n2 less than or equal to 2, we have the formula P1 is equal to 1 by 1 factorial to lambda 2 by mu 2 whole power 1 into P naught. So if we substitute, we will get 1 by 3. So P naught is also 1 by 3, P1 is also 1 by 3. For n2 greater than or equal to 2, we have the formula Pn2 is equal to 1 by c factorial c power n minus c into lambda 2 by mu 2 whole power n2 into p naught. So this is our formula. If you substitute, you will get 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 whole power n2 minus 1. Therefore in general p of n2 equal to 1 by 3 if n2 equal to 0, 1 by 3 if n2 equal to 1, and 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 whole power n2 minus 1. This is for p of n2. For p of n3, the facility is having single server model. So again lambda 3 by mu 3 into whole power n2 into 1 minus lambda 3 by mu 3. If we substitute, we will get 1 by 4 into 3 by 4 whole power n2. So to get joint probability p of n1, n2, n3, we have to multiply the values of p of n1, p of n2, p of n3. And now to find third one. To get LS, we have to find L1, L2 and L3. L1 at facility 1, the formula, it is a single server model. Therefore L1 is lambda 1 by mu 1 minus lambda 1. So the value is 1. For L2, this is a multiple server facility at 2. Therefore the formula is 1 by c factorial into c to lambda 2 by mu 2 whole power c plus 1 into 1 by 1 minus lambda 2 by c mu whole square into p naught plus lambda 2 by mu 2. So this is our general formula. If you substitute, the value will be L2 is 4 by 3. And for L3, again at facility 3, it is a single server model. Therefore we can get L3 as 3. So if we add these 3, we will get LS, that is equal to 16 by 3. The final result, expected waiting time in the system is, we know the formula, LS by summation I equal to 1 to 3 alpha I. So if we substitute, we will get the answer as 2 by 3. Thank you.